Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Jay Wilds, the key witness in the Adnan Syed serial case. With all the legal ups and downs, people are asking, where is he now? Let's break it all down. Jay Wilds was a friend of Adnan Syed and a central prosecution witness in the 1999 murder case of Hae Min Lee. Over the years, his testimony has been questioned many times because of inconsistencies. His role in the case has kept him in the public eye through documentaries, media coverage, and legal filings. After the Serial podcast and the media coverage, Jay Wilds has spoken publicly in a few interviews, including one with The Intercept in 2014, where he addressed inconsistencies in his stories. Legal challenges related to Adnan Syed's conviction have continued, with motion to vacate, appeals, reinstatements, and changes driven by his testimony among other evidence. But Jay himself has mostly kept a low profile. Where is Jay Wilds now? As far as verified sources go, Jay Wilds is living in California. He has a criminal record with multiple arrests, including some from before and after the serial case became well known. He is not currently in prison for the Syed case. Any further charges related to new evidence have not been confirmed. Otherwise, he's staying largely out of the media spotlight. Jay Wilds remains a figure trapped between public interest and private life. Whether or not he'll speak more, or if his past statements will continue to be scrutinized, his position in the Adnan Syed story makes him impossible to ignore. What do you think? Will Jay ever fully clear up the inconsistencies, or is he destined to always be part of the controversy?